So you might be in a random situation where TikTok is giving you a little bit of a pop-up that's telling you that there's a server upgrade problem going on, and there's not really anything you can do that you're just gonna have to kind of see that pop up. Now, if there is a sort of pop-up that looks something like that, the very, very big thing I'd recommend thinking about and understanding is that it might not be your problem. That might just be a problem with TikTok in and of itself, and you might just have to kind of wait it out until the end of fixing the problem. So, what I'd recommend doing here is number one, going through and seeing if you can just close out of TikTok and go back into it. So, just close out of TikTok and go back into it, and you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem. And for a lot of people, that might end up fixing it for you. Now, if you do that and that's not working, the next thing I'd recommend doing is to go through and make your way over into your App Store, just like this. And what I'd recommend doing here is pretty much just making your way over into the search bar and searching up TikTok. So come right into here, search up TikTok, and all you're going to want to do is you want to go ahead and basically see if TikTok needs an update. If TikTok needs an update, all you're going to have to do is basically just wait it out until TikTok ends up fixing the issue that way. If that still doesn't work, try making your way over into your web browser of some sort, and you want to go to a website like downdetector.com or is it downrightnow.com. One of these types of websites that basically shows you what's up and what's down. And all you're going to have to do is scroll down. If TikTok is down, it's going to be one of the first options. Look at the top 5. If TikTok is on here within the top 5, then you might just have to wait it out until the end of fixing the problem. So those are kind of the main ways to go and fix it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.